Next is question number 76, which says that the coordinates of the point on the hyperbola 8x square minus 7y square equal to 70, which is nearest to the line 2x minus y plus 4 equal to 0 is alpha comma beta. Then the value of 2 alpha plus beta equals. Let us draw a rough sketch of the diagram. That is, these are the hyperbola given and the line will be cutting x-axis at minus 2 and y-axis at y equal to 4. Now, normal to this, the point on the hyperbola which is nearest to this line will be perpendicular to this line, right? So let us say this point is x1 comma y1. Now the slope of the given line is m equal to minus 2 upon minus 1, that is 2. So we can see that the normal at point x1 comma y1, let us say that point is P, should be m should be equal to minus 1 by 2, right? Now let us write the equation of normal at point P. Now we know the equation of normal on hyperbola is x minus x1 upon a square equal to minus of y minus y1 upon y1 upon b square. Now here the hyperbola that is given is x square upon 70 upon 8 minus y square upon 10 equal to 1. So the value of a square is 70 by 8 and value of b square is 10. So we get from here that x minus x1 upon 70 upon 8 is equal to minus of y minus y1 upon y1 upon 10. Now rearranging this, we will get 7 y1x plus 8 into x1 into y equal to 15 times x1 into y1. So from here we see that the slope of the equation is minus 7 y1 upon 8 into x1. But it should be equal to minus 1 by 2, right? So from here we find that 7 into y1 should be equal to 4 times x1. Also, x1 comma y1 is lying on the hyperbola, so it should satisfy the equation, that is 8 into x1 square minus 7 into y1 square should be equal to 70. Now solving equation 1 and 2, we find that x1 comma y1 will be equal to plus minus 7 by 2 comma plus minus 2. Now from the tentative figure, we can see that the point will be lying in the third quadrant. So the x coordinate should be negative and y coordinate should also be negative. So this is the value of alpha comma beta. So 2 alpha plus beta will be equal to minus 7 minus 2, which will be equal to minus 9. So the correct answer will be option number 4. Next is question number 77. That is the equation of the circle circumscribing the quadrilateral formed by the straight lines x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, 3x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So this question is quite lengthy because in this question we have to draw the tentative figure that how will the straight lines will be on the coordinate axis, right? So let us say this is the line x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 and this is the line 3x plus y plus 1 equal to 0 and the line x minus 3y plus 4 will be something like this and x minus y minus 2 will be like this. That is, this is x minus y minus 2 equal to 0 and this is x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to find the equation of the circle circumscribing the quadrilateral. The quadrilateral that is formed here is this one, right? So we have to find the equation of the circle that is circumscribing this quadrilateral. Now we know the formula from which we can find it. Let us say this line is L1 and this line is L2 and this line is L3 and this line is L4. Now I can write the equation of the circumcircle as L1 into L3 plus lambda into L2 into L4 equal to 0. See why I have taken the combination of L1 and L3, because they are the opposite sides of the quadrilateral. See, if I take these two sides as one pair and L2 and L4 as one pair, then only we will get the points of intersection of the quadrilateral, right? Now we just have to solve this. Now we know the line L1 is x minus 3y plus 4 into L3, that is x plus y plus 1 plus lambda times L2, that is 3x plus y plus 1 into x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. As it is given that this equation represents a circle, so for circle we know the condition that the coefficient of x square should be equal to coefficient of y square, right? So from here we get that coefficient of x square will be 1 plus 3 lambda. It is equal to coefficient of y square, that is minus 3 minus lambda, that right? So from here we get that lambda should be equal to minus 1. Now putting this value of lambda in the given equation, we can find the equation of the circle as x square plus y square minus 5x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. That is given in option number 3. Next is question number 78, which says that a chord of the circle x square plus y square plus 20x plus 75 equal to 0 passing through the point minus 20, 0 is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 20x. The length of the chord is, the circle that is given over here is x plus 10 whole square plus y square equal to 25, that is 5 whole square. So the circle would be something like this. That is, the center is minus 10, 0 and radius is 5. That is, this point will be minus 5, 0 and this point will be minus 15, 0. And we have a parabola over here, that is y square equal to 20x. Now, the chord of the circle passing through the point minus 20, 0 is tangent on the parabola, right? So, the chord is something like this, right? Now, we can write the equation of tangent on the parabola y square equal to 20x, for which the value of a is 5. Now, we know the equation of tangent is y equal to mx plus a by m, that is 5 by m. Now, this is the equation of tangent and it is passing through the point minus 20, 0. So, it will satisfy it. So, we will get 0 equal to minus 20 m plus 5 by m. Now, from here we get that 0 should be equal to 5 minus 20 m square. That is 4m square is equal to 1. That is, m should be equal to plus minus 1 by 2. That is, we have two lines over here, right? So, let us assume m equal to 1 by 2. Now, we have to find the length of the chord. Let us say this is AB, and if I draw perpendicular from this point P on AB, let us say it is M, right? So, we can find the value of PM from here. That will be, PM will be equal to distance from minus 10, 0 on the line AB, that is y equal to mx. Now, m is 1 by 2, that is x by 2 plus 5 upon 1 by 2, that is 10, right? So, this is the equation of the chord AB. Now, length of PM will be equal to minus 10 upon 2, that is minus 5 plus 10 minus 0 upon under root of 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4 plus 1, right? Modulus of this will be equal to 5 upon under root 5 upon 2, right? Which will be equal to 10 upon root 5. This is the value of length PM. Now, we know the radius of the circle is 5. Hence, in the triangle AMT, we can find the value of AM square equal to AP square, that is radius whole square, that is equal to 25 minus PM whole square, that is 100 upon 5, that is 20, right? Therefore, the value of AM is equal to root 5. Now, the length of chord AB will be equal to 2 times AM, that is the length will be 2 times root of 5. That is, the correct answer will be option number 2. Next is question number 79, which says that number of integral points lying on the curve x square minus y square equal to 2018 is. See, in this question, if I write x square minus y square equal to 2 times 1009, we will take 3 cases here. That is, case 1, that is when x and y both are even, right? Now, this can be written as x minus y into x plus y equal to 2 times 1009. If x and y are both even, then this will be even and this will also be even, right? So this will be a multiple of 4, but it is not a multiple of 4, right? So this case is rejected. We don't get any solution from this case. Now case 2 is either x and y both are odd. Now if they both are odd, then again x minus y will be even and x plus y will also be even. So it will again be a multiple of 4, which is not given here. So from here also we don't get any solution. And there is one more possibility that x is even and y is odd and vice versa, right? So from here we can find that the value of x minus y will be odd and the value of x plus y, that will also be odd, right? Now the multiplication of odd into odd will give us odd number, but on the right hand side we have an even number. So from here also we get no solution. So we can say that the number of integral points that are lying on this curve is 0. Next is question number 80, which says that number of values of x satisfying the equation cos x plus GIF of 1 plus sin x plus GIF of 1 minus cos x is equal to 0 is. Firstly, we know the property of GIF, that is GIF of any integer n plus anything k can be equal to n plus k. That is GIF में से हम कोई integer अगर दिया है तो हम इसको बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. So we will apply this property here, that is we can write it as cos x plus 1 plus sin x can be written as 1 plus GIF of sin x plus 1 minus cos x GIF can again be written as 1 plus minus cos x GF equal to 0, right? So from here we get that 2 plus cos x plus minus cos x GIF is equal to minus of sin x, right? Now cos x, now we know that x can be written equal to GIF of x plus fractional part of x, right? So if I take it on the right hand side, we will get 2 plus GIF of sin x is equal to minus cos x minus GIF of minus cos x, right? If I assume minus cos x equal to t over here, so it is written t minus GIF of t. So we can write it as fractional part of minus cos x, right? So from here we get that 2 plus GIF of sin x is equal to fractional part of minus cos x. Now we know that fractional part always go from 0 to 1 and right hand side will go from GIF of sin x can take the values minus 1, 0 and 1. So left hand side can take the values 1, 2 and 3. So we don't have any common value in the right hand side and left hand side. So we can say that 0 number of values will satisfy this equation, right?